Hey, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5, Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline 6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4, Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3, Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2, Toyota 2GR-FE 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2GR-FE has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2GR-FE showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1, Toyota 1UZ-FE 4.0L V8. The 1UZ is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.
Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline-4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2, 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from U.S. News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.